It's time for I can help you. Hmm?
Hello, hello, hello. These are pages 24 and 25 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and these are the pages for the Let's Learn More part of Unit 3. All right, part A just says read and circle. So we have some of the vocabulary words down here, and in our student books, the vocabulary words looked like this.
A CD. CDs.
A video game. Video games.
A cell phone. Cell phones.
A computer. Computers.
Okay, let's go ahead and circle, and just remember that in English, when something is only one thing, we have no S, and usually we have to put all or an in front of it. And if it's more than one, if it's plural, then we put an S on the end of the word. Okay, so number 1 says CDs. So we circle this because there are 3 CDs in this picture. Number 2 says a cell phone. So I know it's 1, only a and no S. More than 1 cell phone. That's a video game. Number 3 says computers. All right, well, there's an S there, so I know it's more than 1. That's only 1. These are CDs. Those are computers. Number 4, a video game. Okay, is this one video game or more than one? Good, it's only 1. There's a in the front and there is no S on the end. So that means this one. Great, part A is all done. Okay, and this is part B. It just says look and check. And in this part, we're going to be checking sentences either between it's a, or their, s. And we can remember that it's equals it is, and it is the word we use when we talk about one thing. And there equals they are. And they is the word that we use when we talk about more than one thing. And these are the words that match to them. All right, let's go. Number 1, it's a pencil case or their pencil cases. More than 1, so we check their. Number 2, it's a computer, their computers. Only 1, it's. Number 3, it's a video game or their video games. Only 1, so check it's. Number 4, it's a cell phone or their cell phones. There are 3, 1, 2, 3, so we have to check their, more than 1. Good job, part B is all done. Okay, this is part C, and it says trace, write, and match. So we're going to write the questions over on this side, and then we're going to look at the picture, and we're going to draw a line to the right answers from this side. And our questions can either be, what are these, if it's more than 1, or what is, what's this, if it's one thing. And just for the keeners out there, these is for more than one thing when I'm very close to it. Like this. And this is for one thing only when I'm very close to it. Okay, in your student books, this question and answer pattern looked like this. Let's try it out. All right, 1, 2, 3. So we can make the question, what are these? What are these? CDs. So we draw a line to this sentence. They're CDs. Remember that there means they are. Number 2, what's this? Because it's only one. WHAT space this. THIS. That's a cell phone. So we gotta pick from over here. It's a video game. It's a cell phone. It's a cell phone. Number 3. All right, there are 2. So should we write what are these or what's this? Good, let's use what are these because it's more than one. So WHAT space ARE space THESE. What are these? They're computers. Number 4. There's 1. So what should we write? What are these or what's this? Good, let's use what's this. Big WHAT apostrophe S space THIS. What's this? It's a video game. Part C is done. Okay, this is part D, and it just says trace and write. So we're going to trace the words that they already have. And then for these parts, it's missing the action. So number 1 has count, but these ones don't have any action in there. So we'll take our actions from this box and write them in. Okay, let's start. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is count. Count the books. COUNTTHEBOOKS. Count the books. Number 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what's that? Point the video games, find the video games, or count the video games. Count. One more time. Big COUNT. Then the video games, because there's more than one. Cross off count. Number 3, to the computer. Look at the girl. Should we say point to the computer or find to the computer? Point. She's using her finger to point. So we got big POINT space to the computer. Okay, cross off point. Number 4, the video games. We have to use find. And he's very happy because he found the video games. So big FIND space the space video space games. Find the video games. Done. Great job, everybody.